Have you ever asked yourself, what's the first life form that ever lived on Earth? No, it's not dinosaurs, not even jellyfish. We're talking about something so tiny, you can't even see it with your eyes. Something that lived billions of years ago, when Earth was a boiling ball of fire. Before trees, before oceans, before anything we know. In this video, we're diving deep into Earth's earliest days to uncover the truth about the very first living beings, the ancient creatures that made all life possible. You ready? Let's go all the way back to the beginning. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts like this one. Have you ever wondered, what's the oldest living thing on Earth? No, it's not the giant sequoia tree, not even a coral reef. We're going way back, like billions of years back. Let me take you on a journey to a time when Earth was a fiery, chaotic rock. No plants, no animals, no humans, just heat, oceans, and volcanic skies. And then life sparked, microscopic, invisible, powerful. We're talking about single-celled bacteria. Yeah, the OGs of life. Scientists call them prokaryotes. No nucleus, no drama, just survival. How old, you ask? More than 3.5 billion years old. That's billion with a B. They were here before dinosaurs, way before. We found their fossil imprints in ancient rocks in Australia and Greenland. Tiny structures called stromatolites. They're like nature's time capsules. These bacteria didn't just survive, they changed the whole planet. They did something revolutionary. They learned to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis means they made food from sunlight. But the twist? They released oxygen as waste. Imagine Earth's air filled with toxic gas, oxygen. Back then, it was deadly to most life. But these bacteria, they thrived. Over time, that oxygen built up and the great oxygenation event happened. Boom, a mass extinction and the birth of new life forms. Without these bacteria, there'd be no fish, no trees, no us. Their simplicity is what made them unstoppable. They divide, they adapt, they conquer. Even today, they're everywhere. In your gut, on your skin, in the clouds. Some can survive boiling water, others freezing ice, even nuclear radiation. They're like the cockroaches of microbiology, except way cooler. Think about this. Your ancestors were bacteria, not kings, not warriors, tiny jelly-like blobs. And yet, here you are, a thinking, breathing human being. All thanks to 3.5 billion years of evolution. Starting with one single cell. So next time you wash your hands, say hello to your great-great-great-grandparents. They may not have had eyes or voices, but they ruled the planet. And in a way, they still do. Bacteria run our ecosystems, our digestion, our survival. Some cause disease, others keep us alive. They're the architects of biology, the pioneers of life, and the most ancient survivors we know. So yeah, trees are old, turtles too. But if age is wisdom, then bacteria are the wisest beings on Earth. 3.5 billion years. No medals, no trophies, just existence. So raise a toast to the invisible champions of our world. They've seen it all. Meteor strikes, ice ages, mass extinctions. And they're still here, multiplying, adapting, watching. Kind of creepy, right? But also kind of amazing. The next time you hear oldest creature on Earth, forget the myths. It's not dragons. It's not sea monsters. It's bacteria, ancient, epic, eternal. A tiny cell that shaped an entire planet. No brains, no hearts, just chemistry and resilience. So small, yet so powerful. So now you know, life began with a cell. And from that one cell, came everything. Dinosaurs, whales, mushrooms, trees, even you. All of it, thanks to a few floating microbes. They didn't plan it. They just existed. And in doing so, they made history. So yeah, bacteria. They might just be Earth's real legends. So next time you get sick from one, show some respect. They've earned it. And they're not going anywhere. Because life always finds a way. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey into the microscopic past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing facts. See you in the next one.